Hello guys,
Hello.
ito si Bochoy. Mamimigay siya ng gifts para sa inyo.
Hello. These gifts are for you who are following us and subscribing us. So I will give you the gifts. That's all my money in those gifts because I am poor. So thank you, and take these humble gifts. So look how happy I am.
Yeah, I hope that our friends will follow and subscribe our YouTube and our Facebook page.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you will give a gift for them.
Yes, and if you don't follow, I call to Manny Pacquiao because he ran again to the Senate.
No. Yeah, but he are not.
He's my friend.
He are not win. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So, what are you saying?
Yeah. Well.
Thank you for
Yeah.
following us and subscribe our YouTube and Facebook page.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this episode.
Oh, and then and look at Papa.
He's so beautiful.
He is like Bochoy, who are the comics Bochoy.
But now I go to shower.
Yeah, but he gives gifts.
Bye-bye.
He want to give a gifts for those who are following and subscribe our YouTube and Facebook page.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. But you need to come here. You need to come here, Papa. Come here. Shh. Come here, Papa. Are you feeling hot?
I feel hot now. I need to go to shower.
So that's why you are like that you feel so hot.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
My God.
Your stomach is, you are showing your stomach. You feel so hot and like hungry.
Not hungry.
Not hungry. You
No.
feel only hot.
Only hot and sweating.
So that's why you go to shower
because
now.
Here's 43, 35 or 36 degrees warm here now. And it's only morning.
Okay. So we will go to shower and you will take a bath.
Yeah.
You will take a bath and remove everything. Yeah, because you are taking a bath, you remove everything.
Everything, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't want to wash these trousers or shorts.
Yeah, but of course, because of you feel hot, we will go now. Okay? So,
yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Do I need
See you on next episodes.
Yeah, do I need an umbrella when I go to shower?
Why?
I need an umbrella?
Why you need umbrella?
Because there's water in shower.
Papa, no need umbrella.
Okay,
bye-bye.
See you next episode.
See you next video. Thank you for watching.